It's a key world leaders conference, and 130 presidents and heads of state are expected to converge in New York for the high-level week of the 68th session of the United Nations General Assembly on Monday next week. But for the first time since independence 50 years ago, Kenya will not be represented at a political level in the upcoming event. In a letter addressed to the United Nations Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon, Kenya's ambassador to the UN, Macharia Kamau, explained that the president was incapacitated to attend the assembly because the deputy president was held up at The Hague, where he is standing trial for crimes against humanity charges at the International Criminal Court. Kamau indicated to Ban Ki-moon that in accordance with the Kenyan practice and law, both the president and the deputy president are not permitted to be away from jurisdiction at the same time. State House spokesman Manoa Esipisu, in an address last evening, expressed concerns that the International Criminal Court had failed to show willingness to reciprocate cooperation with Kenya.
In the note verbal, Kenya informed the UN Secretary-General that the political space for continuous cooperation was rapidly being eroded, and the country was weary that the dire consequences of these developments seemed lost to the ICC interlocutors.
Wakitaka tuendelee kufanya kazi na sisi tuko tayari kufanya kazi. Wajue ya kwamba Ruto akiwa huko, Uhuru amekalia kiti hapa.
The State House reads a lack of urgency on the court side to dispense with appeals before it while granting the prosecutor's request to have the deputy president to be continuously present during the trial pending the final determination of the prosecutor's appeal. The trial chamber had excused Ruto to skip some sessions of the trial to attend his duties of the state. The letter goes on to state that there has been a clear lack of understanding and appreciation of the nature of the request to expedite the disposal of the prosecutor's appeal. This situation, the note verbal states, leaves Kenya with little choice and limited options. Ambassador Kamau also informed the Secretary-General that President Kenyatta had summoned him back to Nairobi for consultation and would therefore be unavailable to represent the country in the meeting as well. The stakes are high, this being a crucial World Leaders Conference where, according to the itinerary, there will be an inaugural meeting of the high-level political forum on sustainable development, a special event on Millennium Development Goals, a high-level meeting on nuclear disarmament, a high-level dialogue on international migration and development, as well as a high-level dialogue on financing for development. President Kenyatta was expected to attend the high-level week of the General Assembly from the 23rd to the 27th of September and was reportedly scheduled to address the Assembly. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.